Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and I'm so happy to be in the club. Do you know how to use the verb to be and to have properly in conversation in the future? In the webinar on Sunday, I'm going to talk very extensively about the future, of course based on the questions that are coming from you. But today, I just want to give you a little introduction, and of course, verb avoir and être, I'm going to conjugate them for you, and you will also have the transcript written here in on the video, in the description of the video, as soon as I finish it. So, but first I would like to start with examples of how to use in conversation, so a few phrases that I would like you to take as examples, and please write in the comments below sentences using these two verbs in the future simple, but that actually reflect your reality. So as if you would tell me about yourself, so not just words put together to make a sentence. Make those sentences so that you can use them in conversation right away. So I will correct not in this comments if you don't want me to. I can send you a message with the correction, so that if you don't really want to show, if you don't feel comfortable to share the corrections, of course I'm going to do it for you privately, but do write into the comments. I'm sure you know how to, because I'm going to give you everything that you need in order for you to write an example. So I'm going to give you first the example. Demain, Paul sera en classe de 9h à 11h. Tomorrow, Paul will be in class from 9 to 11. Demain, Paul sera en classe de 9h à 11h. So the verb to be, conjugated at all persons, is je serai, tu seras, il sera, elle sera, on sera, nous serons, vous serez, ils seront, elles seront. Now, I know most people learn the conjugations. Je serai, tu seras, il, elle, on sera. Now, I really want you not to do this, because you know me and I told you. The reason why that is because in conversation we never ever, I hope this is okay. Yeah. And in conversation we never ever use il, elle, on sera. We could use il et elles seront. It's really, so don't memorize something that you'll never use in conversation, in the application of what memorization is, right? So do say ils seront, elles seront, il sera, elle sera, on sera, or ils seront, elles seront. Verbe avoir, to have. Il aura des amis. Il aura des amis. So it's the same context. He's going to be in class tomorrow and he'll have friends. Avoir, il aura des amis, he will have friends. Avoir in the future simple, conjugated. J'aurai, tu auras, il aura, elle aura, on aura. Nous aurons, vous aurez, ils auront, elles auront. So I'm going to write all the transcripts right after I finish this. And don't forget that on Sunday there's a webinar, and I'm going to talk about future in general and in particular whatever it is that you're asking me. And so go to parisianfrench.com, subscribe there to the newsletter if you're not yet subscribed, so that you can find out exactly when you should be in the webinar. And even if you can't come, being on that list will allow me to send you the replay and possible PDF handouts. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really grateful that you've been here with me, either live or in the replay, and don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French and break the language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Au revoir.